All right, folks, Wednesday morning, rise and shine. We've only got 2 trading days left until this holiday weekend. I know we're all excited to get there, but we got a couple more days to get after it. Right now, heading into the open, markets are lower, so we've got the Dow Jones off about 200 points. Now, this is coming off yesterday where we wrapped up the second quarter, so we're at the midpoint of the year, and we had the best quarter in the markets that we've seen for quite a while. When you look at the Dow Jones, we had a 17.8% move in the Dow. That's the best quarter we've seen since 1987. 20% move in the S&P, best quarter since the late 90s. And likewise, for the Nadex, a 30% move, again, best quarter since the late 90s. So these markets over the past 3 months have just been screaming higher. That said, and we've talked about it, and you're hearing a lot about it in the news, the fear right now is around COVID-19 and what that could mean for the reopening of the economy and lifting some of these restrictions. That's still yet to be seen. Again, hasn't put much pressure on the markets as of late, but that could certainly change on a dime. So right now, week heading into the open, the one market that is moving right now is oil. We were up about 2.5% last time I checked 30 minutes ago. That has us back up above $40 a barrel in WTI. So again, that's where your volatility is at this morning. Not much to write home about right now in the currencies. Again, 2 trading days left. Now remember, I talked about this earlier in the week. Volumes will start to lighten up as we head into that holiday weekend. Markets are closed on Friday. You'll start to see some players pull out as soon as Thursday, which could mean there's less liquidity out there, which we get any sort of breaking news, markets can be a bit erratic. So just something to keep an eye on. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. Make sure you go check out Nadex.com, that new website we just launched. One last piece of news that we do have, jobs reports tomorrow. So if you're looking to trade that NFP contract or get in on that unemployment rate contract at Nadex, you still got time to make your prediction today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll check in again tomorrow. Take care, folks.